How to enter redeem code in Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter redeem code in Crunchyroll. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the account section, what you can do is you can simply tap on the membership, or you can simply go to the premium as well. And now here, once you are inside this section, then here what you can do is you can just scroll down, and there you'll see the option to redeem offer code. So there you can just tap on redeem offer code, and after that you can simply enter your code, and once you're done entering it, you can just tap on redeem, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.